Hey guys, so I am doing a quick unboxing. I'm actually gonna just put my hair up. I'm done. I have a little bit of a headache, but I'm just meh. Um, so I am going to be unboxing a Farmasi box. It's right here. It's not too big. It's just a small little thing. They were doing like these bundles of all these of the CEOs of Farmasi, which is actually really exciting because they provide like a really good deal for a lot of the influencers. So of course I got what was in the bundle was the ooh, excuse me. The Limitless Mascara, which is actually my absolute favorite. So I'm excited that I was able to replace the one that I threw away. But if you guys are interested in this mascara, it is $24.90. I'm not going to open it up yet because I do have other mascaras open, and I'd rather just use those up first before I go and start using that mascara. Even though it's at my absolute favorite, I'm not gonna open that up yet. Alright, a few other things. The Calendula hand cream from Dr. C. Tuna. This stuff is amazing. I have some of his stuff. Some of this like their face cream. But this stuff is actually really moisturizing. So if you are like a dry skin, this would be perfect for you guys. So this stuff is really good. Our ink liner, which is 01, which is also really black. I have my open one right here. Let me see if I'll swatch it. So this is what it looks like. Very good. It's this kind of tip for your liner, so if that's what you guys like, it is really good. I don't use it very often. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. This is 03. It's actually nude essence. So it is literally nude. Let me see if I can find mine and I can do a swatcheroo for you. I might have it in my bag maybe. I was taking my lipsticks with me. Yeah, I might have it in the bag, but I'll probably do I haven't done one in a while. I might actually do a swatch live of our liquid lipsticks. I have to find all mine, but if you guys would like to see that, just comment below liquid lipsticks swatches and I will do that for you. But like I said, it with this bundle it came with this. Unfortunately, they don't have the bundles anymore. I don't understand why they don't, because I think it's a really good idea. Alright, this one is Autumn Story. It is an orange liquid lipstick, number 12. I think I actually have this one. Oh, that's Sunset. This one is actually really good too. Man, where's all my lipsticks? I'm losing my mind or something. I don't know where they're at. Apparently I can't swatch anything because I literally don't know where it's at. Alright. Face cream. This is a very hydrating face cream as well. Like I said, I do have it. It's right here. It's already opened. And yeah. Oh my god. My skin's like really, not my skin, but my throat's really dry. But it's right here, and it is literally like very moisturizing. It's has a light smell, so if you guys have a problem with that, I would not suggest it, but it just like goes a long way. My skin's like really dry, so yeah. All right. I do not have this, but this is our revitalizing shampoo. I'm so excited. I don't know why they have the plastic on here, but it is all plastic up. Hey babies! Alright, so this is our revitalizing shampoo ×2 double effect garlic and capsule. I don't know, but it revitalizes your hair. Apply to wet hair, gently massage and rinse off well. This shampoo offers effective solutions to fragile and thinning hair. So this is actually really good for ladies that are just had their babies and your hair is like thinning out. This would be perfect for you guys. I mean, mine is kind of, but not as bad as like all the horror stories that I've seen. This is their bigger bottle right here. I had to replace it. Of course, it's the same thing. I just ordered them both. This is the Calendula face wash. I have a bunch of face washes already that's already opened up, so I'm not opening it up. But I have tea tree up in the shower, and then I have like a few others in here that I usually use when I go live. Tea tree is more of like skin that's really oily, so like I have been really oily lately, so that's why I've been putting it in there and using that pretty much like every morning, cleaning my face. But this is for like dry face, because this is what it's for. This is really good. All right. The sun oil SPF 6 carrot oil. It's tan and care. Never used this stuff. I heard it's really good though. And then the face tonic as well. I have a lot of their tonics through Farmasi, so I think this is a really good bundle. The shampoos were not together with the bundle. It was just all of this, which I thought was amazing, plus that mascara. But yeah, like, I'm really excited for that. But I hope you all liked this live. I haven't done an Farmasi unboxing in quite a while. I don't know why I haven't done any. Maybe it's just because I didn't really order any. Oh, and then here's the liner. It is literally, it's not budging. It's, okay, well, there's a little smear. I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but it's right there. So yeah, but other than that, it stays on rather nicely, just saying. So I hope you all like this. Comment below, #replay, #live if you're catching live at the end. Please share onto your page if you guys do not mind. I would absolutely appreciate it. If you're catching this on my YouTube channel, please like, comment, and also subscribe if you guys like this sort of content. And I hope you all have a really good day or good night, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.